Trampolines, did that yesterday.
Yep.
Didn't we?
And we saw... Is it on?
Hold on. Yep. Love you.
Let's go. Love ya! That feels very weird. Look at this, Mum.
So yeah, 3 goes down the slides, first down this one, then down that one, and on your third tube between the 2. When you get into the tube, please don't step into it like that, because you'll slide about. I'm going to hold the back for you, just stand in front of where it says Haven This. 3 goes down the slides, first down this one, then down that one, and on your third tube between the 2. Okay then, ready?
Who's next? Is that good, Lil?
Yeah. Very strange.
Is it?
Yeah.
And then you next, do you want to come stand on the blue here?
Here she comes.
And then sit comes down.
Oh my god. That wasn't good.
Is that good? You gonna do the big one? You gonna do that one again or the big one?
That one. You have to do both of them, but...
Oh. Have fun.
I was relieved when they saw them on this one.
Oh god. Thanks. Hold my hand. Mummy's go.
Peter Laker's go.
Just sit back in. Okay then, ready?
What are we doing tomorrow?
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
That good fun?
Yeah.
Let me check that stick.
I'm next.
Thank you. Thank you.
Are you okay?
And yeah.
Holding on?
Mhm.
Have fun.
Okay, ready?
Spin at the end.
Whoa. How dizzy? Oh my god.
You got that one there?
I'm going that one now.
You're still recording?
Okay.
Yep.
Love ya.
Okay.
She got it.
Okay, let's.
Oh, yeah. I'm listening how big.
You could have checked that, Katie.
Hurry.
Yo,
Mega push.
mega push. You can do it. There was a zip line above your head? That's crazy. Woo! Oh no. Whoa! That's pretty cool. Is that it now? You got one more?
No, that's it now.
That's it. Well done, guys. Well done, guys.
Me and Mum went together.
Did she? Come on, let me see if I can.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do subscribe our channel. Follow our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.